yeah. And they send you off to school, and you work and you slave for all this stuff, yeah. And in the end, you're dust. Oh, oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hey folks, how you going? I hope registrations are all in. We've got only about a half an hour left before registrations do close for your vehicles. So if you haven't done that, get on up to the registration tent. You need to get onto that straight away because registrations do close at 10, and then we're going to be quick sticks into the judging, so you need to be in it to win it. If you're looking for the registrations tent, that is up towards the front gate between gate 1 and 2, just to the left of the admin building. So that's the place to be. Get your vehicles registered. We are absolutely loving the weather today. What a nice day it is. Had a little bit of cloud cover early, got a really nice breeze blowing. Beautiful day to have the cars out. Beautiful day for the Gold Coast Car Show. Day number 2. Great to have you here. Thanks for being a part of it. Also a big thank you to our major event sponsors. That's Gold Coast Tow Trucks, Light and Heavy. Great team of blokes. Thank you very much to those guys. Slip on over to the Gold Coast Tow Trucks, Light and Heavy. Have a chat to Penny. Grab a card. Always good to have that in your wallet. And in the case of a single, that's all quite overwhelming when you get flooded by towies. You can pull that card out of your wallet or where you've taken a photo of it on your phone. And you go, these are the guys that I want. Leave me alone, the rest of you. Gold Coast Tow Trucks, Light and Heavy, there's the team for you. We are loving what's going on around the Soto Alley area. All the food vans are doing extremely well. Get some great stuff. I was here yesterday all day. I had a taste of a lot of stuff. Very good. Enjoyed everything that I had. Most of it is coming straight out of the fridge, straight to you. Go and have some. Plenty to do. Have a good look around. We're loving the Gold Coast Car Show.
Yeah, what's the size?